Good day. My name is Abu Sunday from Castle Technology. Welcome back to our interesting and exciting video. I come across this particular skill again. Okay, I believe you guys have been enjoying our numerous skills, 3D surface using uh, mixture of cement and sand, right? Okay, this video was produced by Construction Tech. I appreciate Construction Tech for making this available for us as a construction practitioner to actually learn this particular skill. Okay, thank you, Construction Tech. All right, and this video we are going to watch how you can produce this amazing finishes you are seeing on your wall. Okay, with a little paint attached to this to actually look more beautiful and look more interesting. Okay, so please watch and learn these skills. It just requires few technical skill. Okay, technical drawing skills, plastering skills. Okay, you don't need any machine to do that. All you need is just a mixture of sand and cement. Okay, thank you very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you get notification anytime we drop more video. And please share this video. Please don't watch this video without sharing it to your friends, because it will definitely help. You will learn something very interesting from any of our videos. Okay, as we all know from most of our previous video produced, you know that after your normal plastering, then you have to render the surface, right? You need to clean the surface, smooth it, to some certain level, and then you now have this your mixture. Okay, so that you plastered it with just cement and sand. Okay, and we always says that make sure that your mixture is smooth. You understand? Make sure you filtered your sand. Okay, let you avoid all any form of particles of stone. Okay, so after that you smooth your surface. Okay, now the essence of spraying this white powder or spraying this powder cement is for it to have some level of solid surface, because as I said, you actually need it to be at least let it be strong to some certain level, so that you can be able to have your 3D, your designs, okay, that you have, you can be able to stay. Because if the mortar is so wild, like it's not strong, you have those designs on it to fall, and you will not be able to achieve your aim. Okay, try to make sure that your plaster is strong and smooth. Okay, so you can see now I'm done with the smoothing. So you just carry a straight edge. And this video, the construction tech team use a plumbing equipment to do that. Okay, so this so you can get any straight edge. You must not use this. Okay, you can use any ruler that you know that is straight, and they have a fixed distance measurement, and then you draw your vertical line. Okay, draw your vertical line. Okay, so after that you plumb your first line. Okay, and then you draw a horizontal line as well. Okay, and now you see the way you draw it, you give a gap for after the first one. You give a gap after, so you understand, so that you can be able to get the shape that you need. So you can see it's as simple as that. Okay, do that again till you reach the end. Okay, so now you now draw this diagonal line to meet edges diagonally, and now you see when you are drawing it, you see that you take reference from or take alignment from the upper chord, right? That is the first chord from the top, so that you make sure that your line that you are drawing, the diagonal line you are drawing, is at a specific angle, so that it will to maintain the same angle. Okay, so you do it for the other side, and then you will turn back again and do for the other side, so that you have your required shape. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it's coming out now. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please, if you have any uh, confusion on how to achieve it, you can refer to our technical drawing class, or you can contact us at Cast Structure Technology, where we can guide you on how to do it. And then if you're a client as well and you want to do something like this, you can also contact us. We can guide you on how to do it, or possibly do it for you. Okay, so you see, bringing out the shape now. Interesting. You see, it's cleaning up now. Clean up the surface cleaning. Okay, you can use any cleaning tools that you use, and then you follow it to get your sharp edge. You can also use a brush to actually brush it, so that you can clean all the necessary particles. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, now so that the shape will come out very well. You can use a small mixture again of cement, just cement only, to actually rub it, so that it will come out clean, colorful. If you don't want to paint it, you can still leave it like this. It looks so interesting like this. It looks so nice. Okay, so if you want to paint it, you can actually paint everything white. And then if you have maybe if you have a sprayer machines, you can actually use it to spray it to be faster. Okay, so after that, you can use your red paint to follow all the sides. It's interesting, like, be very fine. So depend on your aesthetic reasoning. Okay, that determine the kind of paint that you'll be using. Because as for me, I don't normally like red in my designs. Most of my paints, most of my modeling, if I'm modeling any job, any building or any shape, I prefer using blue. Okay, like navy blue and white, or dark blue and white. Actually, it looks so good for my eyes. So depend on your aesthetic reasoning, or your color combination ability. Okay, that determine the color you use the thing that will make the work look so clean and look so nice. Okay, and then also depend on the location where you are doing the job. Also depend on the color that you'll be using. So you need to put all those things into consideration. Okay, okay. So you see, you can see now. Okay, you can see the finishes. Looks so nice, right? Looks so nice and interesting. Okay, so please, thank you, and as well say, make sure you practice this in your next project. Okay, if you have any question, if you have any comment, please comment on us comment section so that we reply you as soon as we got your comment. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Okay, thank you.